C50 Mini Label Maker Operation Video. Search for LuckJingles in the App Store, or scan the QR code below to download. Hold the device button to turn on. Indicator lights turned on. Open the paper compartment. Insert thermal label paper print side facing print head. Adjust left paper guide to fit consumables. Green light on. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and open the app. Tap the top right corner to connect the printer. Start printing labels. Set label size. Predefined common sizes for quick use. Manual adjustment available. Tap Creative Templates and browse various templates. Select a template to set up printing. Press power button 6x to calibrate label gap. Edit print content. Select print mode, text or image or AI height or AI ultra. Adjust print density. Other modes: faster printing, AI height, sharper results. Replace with tattoo transfer paper. Remove middle protective film. Place outer white film facing up. Insert into printer. Tap tattoo printing. Select pattern to print. Match page size to tattoo paper. Adjust pattern position or size on canvas. Adjust print density. Multiple printing modes available. Start printing. Clean skin transfer area. Apply tattoo transfer cream evenly. Place transfer paper printed side down on skin. Ensure full adhesion. Press gently for to 3S. Patterns transferred accurately. Use alcohol to remove if adjustment needed.